when you come to Kenya, it's not about the safari and all those things. There's another thing that makes Kenya what it is, and that thing is the nightlife in Kenya. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how nightlife look like in Kenya. I'm talking about in Nairobi, the city of Nairobi. So keep watching this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, because in this video we're going to show you the nightlife in Nairobi. We're going to go to about 3 clubs to show you how things happened here in Nairobi. Said tonight we want to go to visit some clubs in Nairobi to show you guys how nightlife in Nairobi looks like. Now we are in 4040 nightclub, so we want to go inside to show you what you can find in Nairobi nightlife, and also we visit another nightclub to show you the nightlife in Nairobi, Kenya. Keep watching this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. We're taking an elevator up, right? So let's go up and show you guys the nightlife in the city of Nairobi, Kenya. So whenever you're coming down to Kenya, you guys know that it's not about the which club. Okay, it's not all about the safari. So you can enjoy the safari, but apart from safari, there are so many other things that Kenya is known for. So let's go. We just left the 4040. The club is not bubbling yet, so we're going to go to another place. We are like 2 minutes away to another club, so we are going to another club to check it out, to see where the vibe is out, because tonight we are giving to nightlives in Nairobi, Kenya, to show you how nightlife is in Kenya. So we're going to another club to see if the vibe is there. If the vibe is not there yet, we go to another one to show you. So don't forget, the time is 10 p.m. in the night. Let's go to another club and see what is happening there. Let's go to the club and see what is happening.
Whichever fits.
Hey, yeah guys, nightlife in Nairobi is unbelievable. You need to experience this, guys. If you're coming to Nairobi, East Africa, this is top notch. We are just leaving Milan and we are headed to Kentwood. That's the 5th club we are going to tonight. You can see over here they are doing alcohol check. There is police checkpoint ahead of us. So if you're driving at night in Nairobi, make sure you don't drink and drive. Look at over there, see people are being arrested for drinking and driving. So just imagine people have been arrested for drinking and driving. So whenever you are in Nairobi at night, don't drink and drive. This is the 5th club we are going to tonight. So make sure you come with us and let's go, guys. Let's go to Kentwood nightclub, which is the 5th nightclub we are going to tonight, just to show you how Nairobi nightlife looks like. Look everywhere, not like traffic. Everywhere just looking so nice and so dope. If you're watching this video, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and kindly turn on the post notification so that you get notified whenever we post more videos on any adventures here in Kenya. So we went to Kentwood. The vibes wasn't there and we decided to head back to another club. Guess the name of the club. Just comment in the comment section. Sweet Road. Said road fine. Nairobi at night is super beautiful. Just look at this. This is Westlands, and like you're seeing, Westlife is where the thing happen, where the thing they happen for the Westlife. I wonder why I'm hearing so many Nigerian music. It seems Afrobeat is taking over Nairobi. Everywhere you go to, Afrobeat, Afrobeat, Afrobeat. Hey, sorry. Hey guys, Nairobi at night is super nice. Where do we go to? Hey, waka waka. Hey guys, nightlife in Nairobi is like Lagos State nightlife. The vibe, just listen. Gano Romalisa, Gano Romalisa. Hey Jesus. So guys, keep watching this video. We're going to bring you guys nightlife in Nairobi, the city of Nairobi, Kenya. You know? So yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the post notification so that you get notified as we post more adventures from Kenya.